Mr. Vikas Singh and Mr. Vikrant Yadav, learned senior advocate, learned attorney general, all stalwarts are here. I would like to just preface it with two instances. Number one, the moment I go to any bar association or any bar function, the first question they ask is, learned members of the bar, sir, how do you feel being a judge and after being an advocate for 20 years? And how do you feel when you come to the bar association? I tell them, I give you a small example. A young girl who gets married and goes to her husband's house, after 2 or 3 months, if she comes back to her parental home, what the amount of feeling of that oneness, that feeling I get it. Number one. Number two, how I became a lawyer. Friends, I am not flattering myself, I am not blowing my trumpet, I am telling you the honest, candid confession in this august gathering in the presence of our, I consider him as my, not only my senior, as my good God-given friend, Justice Gawai Saab. One day I refused to go to school. I think I was somewhere in 4th standard. My mother told my father that he is refusing to go to school. My father came with a scale. Will you go or not? I said, no, I will not go. He said, why? My socks is not ironed. This is the reason I gave. Why I tell you? Then he said, all right, I will iron your socks, and he gave it. He said, no, I am not going because today driver is not there, I am not going, car is not there. He said, nothing doing, you go by walking. Hardly it was about 200 meters or 300 meters. Why I am telling you is, after having brought up in such an environment, I was born in Bangalore, brought up in Bangalore, studied in convent, good educational institutions. Everything was, God was very kind to me. And my father was hell-bent upon that I should become a lawyer. I said, I will become anything, but not a lawyer. So every day, the fight used to start in the morning breakfast table and end at the dining table in the night. So every day my mother used to complain, why father and son should fight? Both of you don't sit together. This was her grievance. But invariably we used to have dinner and breakfast together. So one day I told my father, I will not become, from tomorrow onwards, if you force me, I will not come and have